was so much snow that fell in. Buddy, I'm sorry, but I can't give you any more room. Well, I can, but I'm just trying to... I don't want to go too close to a bumper and like slip or something. You never know. I like just to keep my distance. Good anyway. We're going this way. Nice. Tesla. Gonna get this. Hey, could have gone inside. At least you're going this way. You don't usually go this way. I know I should get back and relax, but it's hard. You're good, Tesla. Go. Okay. 15's a lot. Well, how about 10? Just to be safe. 10. 25. We're good, Tesla. Keep going.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the right. Now your destination is on the right.
Tesla, we can't park them, sorry. Cop was gonna say something if I went to park here. Also, the Tesla said I could park here, but it's okay. We're parking here myself. They put up that thing because they don't like when I park there. They don't, well, not me, but the Tesla. They don't like the Tesla pulling up there, so they decided to add a sign, which, alright. I just run in and out. Usually my shit is labeled, I run in, throw it in the bin, come out, but they don't like that. There's the one chance there is a fire, you know.